Today I'm beginning the construction of my Christmas gift to my boyfriend. My boyfriend is a big golfer, so what I'm making for him are these golf club covers. I found a sewing pattern on Etsy, which I will link below. This is what some of the example pictures look like. But my concept was to upcycle this leather jacket that I got off of Poshmark into the golf club covers. Why is that a tongue twister? Golf club covers. I wanted to have some cool detailing like these stripes, but I'm not familiar with sewing leather, so I feel like it wouldn't come out as clean, so I'd rather just use these pre-made stripes, if that makes sense. So it's gonna be mostly red and white, but then for the trim I got this navy genuine leather piping. And the thinking behind this is that for Christmas my parents got him a golf bag that's white, red, and navy. So I thought it would be cool if the club covers and the bag matched. And then I also had to get some new sewing machine feet, like this even feed foot and a piping foot, all of which I've never used before. So I'm pretty intimidated by this sewing project. I'm also leaving for vacation soon, so I have to finish this in like 2 days. And I want to be able to make like a couple of club covers. So we'll see how it works out. Pieces cut out, I'm going to take my trusty seam ripper and start deconstructing the jacket. I always get so nervous when I have to start cutting things open. Okay, for a snack break, we have a matcha latte and a matcha cookie that I made yesterday, double matcha. And then I changed my shirt. Look at this cute shirt that my boyfriend got me. Warm and cozy, just like me. This is literally the best cookie that I've made in my entire life. So here are the pieces that we're working with all cut out. And this is what's left of the leather jacket. I think it could be cool to try to make something with it, but right now I have a lot of other things to think about. I fucked up because literally what the fuck is happening here? Do you see that? Like why? And then look at the back. Ah! Why is it curvy? And why is my zipper all wavy? Like I don't know. The thing about sewing with leather is that since I've already sewed this line and made these holes, I can't really take it out because there's just gonna be a bunch of holes left. So now I have to remake this piece. I may have taken on too much. We're back, baby. Look at the operating zipper. This is the only working zipper I've sewn in my entire life/sewing career. Good afternoon. So last night I did all of the boring quilting. It was actually pretty therapeutic because it was so repetitive, but basically I just did the quilting on all of these pieces and attached the stabilizing foam. I also did the zippers. So the only thing we have to do today is assembling it all together and attaching this piping. I am very hopeful that we're gonna get this done today, which is way quicker than I thought. I will say last night I was quilting and before I knew it, it was like 2 a.m. which was so crazy. Not bad if I do say so myself. Tell me these are not the most well-made things you've ever seen. Look at them close up. Like, look at that stitching. Are you kidding me? With the silver zippers? Are you kidding me? It literally looks professional. The last step is to put the bottom, the top, and like the middle piece together. So I'm so close to being done. I did this so fast. I was concerned this was gonna take me like a week. Pat on the back for me. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna flip it inside out. And I'm actually so nervous. I'm feeling a bit sick to my stomach. Because if this doesn't turn out well, I don't know what I did wrong because I literally followed every step perfectly, like so focused. Usually when I'm doing other projects, I just like do whatever, eyeball it, whatever. But this one, I actually tried so hard. So if it doesn't turn out well, I literally don't know what to do. Also, the pieces didn't really all match up at the bottom. So I don't really know what that means for the overall project. Like maybe I just don't understand 3D shapes. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Moment of truth. Oh my god, it's looking way better than I thought. It looks so good. Not to keep complimenting myself, but this is like the first serious project I've taken on. And I usually don't consider my little thrift flips and whatnot that serious. I am still really concerned about the fact that this piece is sticking out so much because what if the golf club doesn't fit in here because of that? This is the right shape? Like, I don't even know how large. This looks way too large to be a golf club. This could be a shoe for a human. But onwards we go. Okay, so I just got back from work. My roof is literally leaking. Like, do you see that? Why is it not focusing? And it's like dripping on the floor and everything. And tomorrow morning, I'm leaving, like early morning, I'm leaving for Puerto Rico with my family. So we really have to finish this. I still have to pack. I'm a little bit frazzled, but that's okay. Because all in all, these are looking so good. I just have to finish off these raw edges on the bottom. So basically I just found some scraps of the jacket that I can cut into the proper shape. I already sketched it out and I'm just gonna finish that off really quick and then we're done and I gotta go pack. Let's do it. Sorry that you love me. Change my mind like it's a recording. Kisses to my exes. I'm stressed because I just bent the other needle and I can't really afford that right now. I Did it always look like that? Why? Fuck me, guys. I broke it. Ugh. Like, what do I even do now? That was my last needle. I actually ordered some extra needles just in case. They're out for delivery right now. So I guess if I packed really quickly, I could finish it. I don't know. Today feels cursed. I feel like I should just finish it when I get back. Because I get back like 6 p.m. on Christmas Eve, which is cutting it like extremely close. Or I could hand sew it? Question mark? Final decision. I'm just gonna pack, move on with my life for now because I mentally cannot do this right now. I'm gonna order even more extra needles for when I come home. So, see you guys in 5 days.
Oh, it is! That's so sick. How did you make this? You made this? How did you even do that? Wow, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's so convenient. Look at that, you can just go like that. How did you like attach this to this?